Who likes dirty rims? Absolutely nobody. Here's how to get them squeaky clean with the original BMW Wheel Rim Cleaner. What you need is a bucket of water with a splash of original BMW car wash shampoo, the original BMW Wheel Rim Cleaner, a wheel rim brush, and a microfiber cloth. Well, let's get it started. Be sure to be somewhere in the shade so that your rims are cooled off. Then you want to rinse your rims to get rid of the loose dirt and debris. Spray the BMW Wheel Cleaner generously and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to break down the grime, but don't let it dry out. Now, the BMW Wheel Cleaner is a highly effective acid-free special cleaner that dissolves all dust, oil, and rubber residues. And see how the cleaner is turning purple? That means it's reacting with the dust and grime, making it easy to scrub off. Now it's time to use the rim brush to get rid of brake dust and stubborn dirt. Focus on the spokes and crevices. Rinse thoroughly to remove all cleaner and dirt. To get rid of potential water stains and to add the final touch, simply use the microfiber cloth. Well, that's it. Clean and shiny rims in a matter of minutes. And if you take car care seriously, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. If you like videos like the one you just saw, why don't you like, subscribe, and click on the next video, if you care about car care as much as I care. Come on now, don't be shy. It's okay.